there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Don't you love to look down at your ottoman or your coffee table and find such an awesome big book? But one that's not just pretty, that's so great to look into as well. I love ink and paint. It is the women of all the Walt Disney animation. First of all, I love that this actually looks fantastic in my living room. I actually house it backside up because look at the gorgeous color selection. This truly starts off as a talking conversation piece for sure. The fact that it takes you through the decades and knowing exactly what you want to get out of thinking about the animation behind Walt Disney. I think that this is such a great piece to get into, looking at your favorite classic Disney films and seeing the behind the scenes, showing that women are truly celebrated in this industry of animation, and color is incredible. I love that it takes you through black and whites and color, and then it takes you all through the decades. That is just so much fun. It is truly something to dive into and to take your time with. It's a big book. I love it, and I know you will too. And that's my point of view.